What's up, everybody? I am outside. It's a warm summer day. End of July is almost over. Today is the 31st. I am actually next to our Alex family truckster. It is, hi Joanna. It is a 2013 Lexus LX570. It's also considered a Landcruiser LC200 platform. So a few months ago, I got some new tires and wheels here. I need to talk about those, by the way, in another video. But it's time to rotate them. And usually you want to go to a tire shop, have it done. A lot of them do it for free. But they're a little bit busy today. It's summer weekend. And I just don't have the time to wait. So I thought about it today, why don't I just do a video to show you guys how to do it. And I'm going to talk about all the stuff that I'm using to rotate this. And wish me luck, because this is a 6,000 pound truck. So safety is very important, and we'll be right back to talk about everything. Thanks for coming back. We're going to rotate the tires on this LX570. I actually had 5 tires, but I couldn't find a 5th wheel for this. So my spare tire is an OEM wheel. It's slightly different size, so I'm actually not going to be using that today. The cool thing is that this actually has 5 TPMS sensors, tire pressure monitor sensors, so you can rotate all 5 tires, and you should, so that way you're having an even wear. I found in the manual, I'll show a diagram of it, what it looked like, but today I'll be doing a front to back on the side rotation. Some manufacturers I've seen actually suggest doing a crisscross rotation, and then sometimes it could be a front to back, then crisscross later rotation. So there's different ways I'm doing it. These are Toyo Open Country AT3s. I'm just gonna do front to back on this round. Next round, I might do a diagonal. So it's time to do it. Things you have to have is a jack, of course. I have jack stands just to be safe. Zoom it up a little bit. Then I'm gonna have a wheel chock as well. I'm gonna turn the e-brake on there just in case it's automatic, but still want to do it. A breaker bar and an impact gun. I like to break the lug nuts that are in here before lifting it, and then a torque wrench when you're done. 95 pounds of torque once you're done with it. This is a lug adapter for those lugs because of the way the spine is. And also I like this. I also like this. This is from Motovex. There's sockets there for differentiation of lug nuts, so I'll show you how it works. Pretty cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. If you haven't been to the channel and you haven't subscribed, really appreciate that. And if you know anybody can benefit from this video, please share it with each other. I'm gonna also show the jacking points on here. All right, so we'll be right back. Okay, so there's a few jacking points. I'll put the diagram below there. I think there's one right here in the front. Get over here. Anywhere in the frame here is good, right along the side. So anywhere in the middle frame. You could probably use this spot right here, this cross member, but not in the middle, but on the edge. But I would probably use the frame to be safe, to be really safe. And then let's go to the rear axle. Oh man, I gotta wash this car. So people will pick it up by a pumpkin, which you can do right there. The pumpkin. Oh, okay. On a rock. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna do the passengers or the driver's side first. So I'm gonna chalk the other side just to be safe. I have a slight decline here. So more X's. I got the wheel lock. I think it's a 22. I could go 21 here, or 22 to go even more in. I'm gonna pick 22. Very cool flip bolts. So I'm gonna stick it in here and then go like that. See, you can flip it. So when you get to the other side, you flip it. Not hard today. That's breaking loose. 1/2 inch breaker bar up. I'll put everything in the description, but I will. Breaking them, you don't have to be too fancy. And there's no particular order breaking them. Putting them on, there is. We're not going to totally take them out. We're just going to break it loose. And we do the same for the rears. Alright, time to get this up. I've been using this cool jack pad. I did a video about it, so it helps keep it from marring stuff, and it has pretty good grip, it's not slippery. And it also adds a little bit more height to the jack so I can lift it better. Huh? This is the perfect time to check the brakes. this is the perfect time to check your brake pads. You can see, plenty of pad. Oh man, I'm getting tired. Here we go. I always turn these on by hand so you won't strip the lug nuts. Then you can tighten one so it won't pop off. So then we're doing a crisscross pattern. Wheel's not coming out, so it's okay to lower it. Work on the other side. All right, torque wrench, 95 pounds. So the way torque wrench works, adjust it accordingly. This one, 95. Hopefully you can see this, I'm just beat. 80. It's 90 with that notch. Sitting 90 and 0. You bring it down so it hits 5. If you have a digital one, it's even cooler. Tighten this up so it doesn't move when you're gripping this. Go for it. You just wait for it to click. Once you do it, you want to do a cross pattern. And you do everything. I'll show you the click. Oh my god, I'm tired. Do it to all wheels, of course. Get that quick. Rinse and repeat 5 times, 4 times, 3 times. What happened now? Stop screaming. Alright, I'm done. It's getting noisy here. So, safety first, okay guys? Make sure you chalk everything, use jack stands. Take your time. Not yet. Check. Check the torques. Make sure you go all 4 wheels. Trust me on that. Check the link below if you want to know where to get the parts I've been using, the spools. And Jonah?
Peace out.
That's it? Peace out? Peace out. Peace out. Oh, I think you said peace out.